stadium or something. So it is in between, it is empty, you can keep it as empty here, or if you want you can create a slab also there. Okay. And so let me come to this number of stories. So there are 6 stories I will take, a 3 meter space, and in typical height is typical story height is 3 meter, bottom story height is 2 meter. Okay. Okay, now this building is not in a rectangular shape. I cannot use the rectangular grid system that is given at the beginning stage. So I had to make use of cylindrical coordinate system.
Okay.
So in the cylindrical coordinate system, it will be like this. This is my radial line R1,
Mm, mm,
R2, and this is my third line R3.
Okay.
So this is my third line R3, and all this in the radial direction they are spaced by 5 meter.
Okay.
That is from here to here it is 5 meter. From here to here it is 5 meter. Okay, from next R2 to R3 is also 5 meter.
Mm,
So in I want three, that is I want three circle like this, this is my this is my middle point, and I want 2 lines, means you have to give the 3 lines.
mm,
So we need to go for a radial line of 1 2 3.
Okay.
Next, in the I want this shape, means this is a tangential direction. So this is T1, so this is T2, so this is T3, so T4, so next T5. Okay, let me 6 7, so 8 9 10 11
11.
12. So again if you come to back to the whole thing, again it will be 13, because I need to be close this one 13. And these are spaced by, these are, if you take the that is what is the angle, means if you take this angle between those things is total, it is sweep is 360-degree sweep, divided by, there are, if there are 13 line, means number of room will be 12.
Okay.
So that becomes 30-degree angle.
Okay.
In T direction it is spaced by an angle of 30 degree.
Okay.
So in T direction it is spaced by 30 degree.
Okay.
In tangential direction it is spaced by 30 degree. So in this problem what I have to do is, first thing is I need to make the cylindrical coordinate system on. Next one is I need to give the number of radial lines are R1, R2, R3. I want 2 circle like this. For this I have to define the 3 lines and spaced by 5 meter. That is from here to here it is 5 meter. What I want to tell is, from here to here it is 5 meter.
Mm,
Okay. Next, from here to here it is 10 meter.
okay.
Okay. So I want 3 in radial there are 3 lines spaced by 5 meter. In tangential direction it is a complete 360 degrees there. So to make it perfect circle I require minimum 12 spacing has to be created, 12 rooms has to be created, 12 room has to be created, so that gives you an angle of 30 degree.
Okay.
So that information I had to give, and later next stage will be modeling. Okay, we'll start in ETABS. Okay, so go to file, new model. So I will use setting from the model file, that is the old file which I have taken. I'll take it from that similar story last, we have more cross section. Okay, so leave this, just set the number of stories only. So number of stories is 6. So typical story height is 3 meter, bottom story height is 2 meter.
Mm,
So don't go for this one, it is not, it is of no use, because using the rectangular grid system I cannot create a circular pattern like that.
mm,
So you have to make it as okay as it is. Okay, just close that window, it has a 4 window, that's why it came. Okay. Now you go to edit,
Hmm.
edit storage and grid system.
Hmm.
In this one, add new grid system. So make it as cylindrical. Make that instead of Cartesian grid system type, make it as cylindrical.
Okay.
Okay. Next, it is asking you grid system origin and orientation. Like this is your grid system. Yeah, okay. This is your grid system. This is your origin. So let us consider this is 0, 0.
Okay.
X is equal to y is equal to 0 at this point. Okay. So x is equal to y equal to 0, and it has to take the complete sweep of 360 degree.
Okay.
Next, number of r grid line in r direction is 3.
Hmm.
Okay. Number of grid line in t direction is total 13.
Okay.
Actually 12 rooms are there, it means we require 13. In order to make it closed, we require 13. Spacing of grid in r direction is 5 meter. Spacing of grid in t direction is 30 degree angle. So it is nothing but what I did is total there is a sweep of 360 degree divided by 12 rooms are there, you will get 30 degree angle.
Okay.
Okay. You can delete that G1 which is not required. G2 is cylindrical coordinate system that is required. So it will be created. The grid system has been in cylindrical coordinate system, it has been created. So next step is to draw. So next step is to draw. So I will place the column first. So the columns, okay, now let it be, we'll take beam first and then later we go to column. So go to this quick draw beam option
Okay.
and change this property to the previous one, 200 into 300. Okay, and draw it everywhere except this inside, because inside I don't want. One second, just it is this one is on, extrude frame, extrude shell is on. So frame on outside is created. So here one more is created, that is beam on this outer side, it is created. Okay. Next you go for a quick draw floor here. So change this one to the slab 130 mm which we have defined last time.
Okay.
Okay. Next step is to place the column. So place the column from the starting from the second grid. This is my first grid as well as 13 grid. So go to quick draw column. So change this one to okay, I don't have circular column, which is not, I have not defined the circular column. What I need to do is go to define sectional property, frame section, go to add new property. So here I want circular shaped column. Click on this circular shape. So let us consider a column which is made up of 400 mm diameter. Material is M25. Diameter is 400. So reinforcement, you can take the longitudinal bar is made up of 500 grade, and ties are made up of 415. Let it be this remains the same, or you can take say 12 number of bars. So this is 8 mm spaced by 180 mm. Now start placing the columns. So go to quick draw column here. So change this one to 400.
Hmm.
So start placing from the like at every 2 points I am placing. Okay. After every 2 grid lines I am placing. So column has been placed. Now you want to see this in a 3D view. So go to here, add window list, add new window. Okay, something problem is there, let it be. So what you do is you can make this here itself 3D. It is now, it is drawn in the last floor. So what you need to do is replicate to next floor. So go to select. So we drawn it on the last floor, that is in story number 6 we have drawn. Select this one. Now go to edit, replicate.
Sir, if there will be this last diagram, last this building we did,
Huh.
it had till fifth story. It had some design. Till after fifth 5 to 10, it was another.
Huh. Now so what I did is one second we'll do. So go to select stories. I drawn it in story number 6. Select the story number 6. Go to edit, replicate. So story, it has to be copied from 5 to 1 and okay. Okay. Now you can go to view, set display option here itself. Make this extrude frame, extrude shell on and okay. Okay, we can see this, it is drawn. So we can do one more thing. So you can add new window. Okay, here you can make the one I'll make it as plan, story number 1. Here it is 3D. Okay, so in this manner we can draw the circular thing also. Circular, if the plan is circular in shape, we can do. But however, for circular or something prior, like we have to do some rough sketch, or else even directly if you are doing it software, it will be quite difficult. We have to first itself we have to prepare some rough sketch as something, then it would be easier. We can create just like the previous, like similar story how we did for 20 story something building. The same type can be done, but that design is required. That design we have to make something changes, something similar story, that same concept we have to introduce. So understood, no, this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll go in the next class then. Okay.
Okay.